So here's how you do the Wednesday AA assignment for September 15th. And AA stands for Again and Again. So if you start by looking at the Notice and Note fiction cheat sheet that we've been referring to, so far we've gone over contrast and contradictions, aha moments, words of the wiser, and yesterday we did tough questions. So today is Again and Again. And when something happens again and again, it just means that the author continues to bring up the same image, phrase, or reference again and again. It just keeps happening over and over in the story. So you are going to read a short story called 11, and it's very short. It's not even 2.5 pages. So while you're reading that, you can listen to the YouTube link that I have linked here. It's only about a 6-minute read. And after you're done reading that, I want you to complete the assignment. So the assignment is also pretty simple. It only has 3 questions. So the first question is to jot down repetitive objects, words, or actions. So because we're studying again and again, I want you to jot down 2 or 3 examples of things that happen or are mentioned again and again in the story. So if you want to do that in a bulleted list, that's perfectly fine. You can type those things that happen over and over. Over here, I want you to, for each object, word, or action that is repetitive in the story, I want you to write why you think that keeps happening again and again. So I want you to think from the author's perspective. Why did the author choose for this to happen over and over? Why would she include that again and again? And then down here, you're going to answer the question, what was the tone and mood in 11? So the tone of a story is the author or the narrator's opinion of the subject. So when you read the story, you'll understand how the narrator, the person telling the story, how they feel about what's happening in the story. So that's the tone. The mood is more of how it makes the reader feel. So kind of what are some emotions it makes you feel while you read. And so that's all you have to do. So when you're finished with that, turn it in.